If your feet tingle at night, your toes feel numb during the day, or you get burning, stabbing, or electric shock sensations out of nowhere, stay with me. Because this may explain why neuropathy often gets worse after 60 and more importantly, what simple movements can actually help calm irritated nerves and protect them. This is not about medication. This is not about masking pain. This is about using the right kind of movement to support nerve health while you still can. Here's my promise: by the end of this video, you'll understand why many seniors unknowingly make neuropathy worse every day, why walking alone is often not enough, and the one simple exercise specialists consistently emphasize to improve circulation to damaged nerves. Quick question before we begin. Have you felt tingling, numbness, burning, or loss of sensation in your feet or hands? And were you ever told exercise wouldn't help nerve damage? Drop your answer in the comments. Awareness is the first step, because once nerve damage progresses too far, options become limited. Here's something most people are never told. Neuropathy rarely appears overnight. It develops quietly over years while nerves are slowly starved of oxygen, nutrients, and steady blood flow. Nerves are living tissue. They depend on circulation. When muscles stop doing their job, nerves suffer. That's why today I'm breaking down 5 simple exercises, ranked from helpful to most important, that support circulation, reduce nerve irritation, and protect balance after 60. And exercise number 5 is the one almost everyone skips, even though it makes the biggest difference. Number 1, calf raises. This is the most underestimated exercise after 60. Your calf muscles act like a second heart. Every time they contract, they push blood upward against gravity. When this pump weakens, blood pools in the legs, pressure builds, swelling increases, and nerve health declines. Walking helps, but it doesn't fully activate the calves through their full range. Calf raises do: stand behind a chair, feet hip-width apart. Slowly lift your heels, pause, then lower them. Slowly. That slow lowering is where the real circulation benefit happens. Start with 10 reps. Build to 2 to 3 sets. If standing is difficult, seated calf raises still work. If you could keep only one lower leg exercise after 60, this would be it. Number 2, ankle rotations. They look gentle, but they matter. The ankle is a major circulation bottleneck. When it stiffens, blood flow slows and swelling increases in the feet and lower legs. Ankle rotations restore mobility and create a subtle pumping action that keeps blood moving upward. Sit or lie down. Rotate your foot slowly in circles, 10 to 15 each direction. Slow is key. Speed reduces effectiveness. Do this a few times a day, especially if you sit a lot. These don't replace calf work. They just keep the pathways open, so other exercises work better. Number 3, leg lifts, bicycle legs. This is where we remove gravity from the equation. Elevating the legs instantly reduces vein pressure. Adding gentle movement improves circulation without strain. Lie on your back. Lift one leg slowly, lower with control. Switch sides. Or try bicycle legs. Small, slow pedaling motions with both legs elevated. No impact, no balance risk, minimal joint stress. Just 1 to 5 minutes can noticeably reduce evening swelling and discomfort. Number 4, swimming or water. Walking water changes everything. It naturally compresses the legs, helping push blood upward while protecting joints. Water walking in waist or chest-deep water activates the calves and thighs while reducing vein strain. Swimming adds full-body circulation benefits with almost zero impact. You don't need long sessions. 10 to 20 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week is enough to make a difference. Number 5, ankle pumps. This is the exercise almost everyone skips, and the one specialists rely on the most. When your feet stay still, blood settles, pressure builds, swelling worsens. Ankle pumps interrupt that cycle. Pull your toes toward you, then point them away. Slow, controlled. 15-20 reps per foot. Do them several times a day, especially after sitting. Hospitals and rehab centers use this movement for a reason. It keeps blood moving when walking isn't possible. So there you have it. 5 simple movements that help improve circulation, calm irritated nerves, and protect your legs after 60. Now tell me, which one surprised you most, or which one are you starting today? Drop a comment below. We read every single one.